Hi students, happy Thursday. I'm here live from my living room with All-Star. All-Star is my foster greyhound. He's pretty awesome. In case I know some of you met him on office hours. All-Star, say hi. Yeah, All-Star is pretty great. Anyhow, we are going to be continuing to work on the Finsta Project today. And once again, today we're kind of easing you into the assignment. I know, All-Star did a big sigh because he's like over distance learning, which I'm sure you guys are too. It's hard. We are easing you into this project a little bit. Yesterday was you just creating your little fake Facebook or Instagram profile. Today you're just expanding on that. Okay, so tomorrow and moving forward is when you'll actually be writing fake posts from your character's point of view. However, today, if you look, the learning target says I can complete a social media profile for my character using my understanding of the text to include information. So I am actually going to model that for you using the crossover, since we've been using that already. Okay, so you today, by finishing your profile, you're going to include things like likes or dislikes, activities, hobbies, friends, relationship status. You might even include some pictures to kind of make the profile seem realistic, but you're not having to do posts as your character yet. So linked on today's assignment is the same slideshow of the profile examples that I showed you yesterday, except for today they're more filled in. So I actually went and included more information now in these profiles. So you can see here we have the fake Instagram, for Filthy, okay? And we added on some stuff. Today I added on twin brothers JB, and we love our mom and dad, currently single, ... because I got from the book that Filthy isn't necessarily too happy about that. Okay, so Instagram, you don't have necessarily a page. I mean, there is a bio page, I suppose, but you don't have a page like Facebook, which we'll get to next, where you can just go and list specific things. So instead, a collection of posts and photos kind of tell your followers what it is you need to know. So yesterday we had this picture here of Reggie Lewis Junior High. Here, I love Duke Go Blue Devils because this is his, Filthy's favorite team. And then here we have pictures because we decided that since Filthy is he 13 and probably really into music, and I had to make some inferences about what some of his favorite artists would be. So I said some of my favorite artists are Lil Wayne, 2 Chainz, and Will. Okay, so you could go and you could fill in all of these. And remember, when you're going and finding pictures, it can be as simple as just Googling things that you know about your character, or you could be a little more creative and actually take pictures of yourself or siblings or, drawings. It's completely up to you. You can get as creative as you want with this. Okay? This next page here, I just wanted to show you, here's a little bit more of an in-depth, and this isn't required really for your profile, but if you would like, you could make like a bio page for Instagram, if you're familiar with Instagram at all. So here we have a picture of Duke, and it says, Duke is the only school I will play ball for in the future. # Blue Devils. My brother @JB, and the @ sign, that is how you tag another person or another user. Okay, so it just makes it look like then you're tagging in other people. JB likes the lame Tar Heels, so we argue about that. Basketball is all I care about, which is why I am # single. I would rather just spend time hanging with my dad at Chuck Bell, the legendary baller, and listening to my favorite artists like at Lil Wayne. Okay? So this is Instagram. Here's the Facebook example. I know I can zoom in a little. Okay. Facebook, I know a lot of you probably don't use Facebook. It's more popular with people my age or maybe your parents' age. But the information page that you may create has actual places where you can put like activities, favorite music. You can go and like things. Okay, so similarly here, I went and added in activities, basketball, nothing else matters, favorite music, favorite teams, favorite TV shows. Even though the template only has this stuff, you can add more. So, like I believe you could add in like a liked pages or favorite stores or whatever. You can, again, be as creative as you want. The fake social media template page is still up. There are 2 more added. Now there are some Twitter pages added if you did want to use Twitter. Again, in order to use the templates, some of you have told me that you need to actually make a copy of the template page in order to do that. But I've talked with others on office hours yesterday that said you didn't have to make a copy. You just went and clicked copy for an individual slide and then pasted it into your own slideshow, like so. And then you can just click keep original styles. Okay. If you have any questions, I know I've been getting tons of emails from you guys. It sounds like your projects are going well. However, I get so many email questions a day that it can be hard for me to keep up. And so I've had to get back to some of you. You'll notice like in the evenings each day. And so the fastest way to get your question answered if you're working on a project is just to drop into office hours really quickly. Okay, I'm there the whole time. And then I can actually talk to you in the moment. I could take a look. You could share your screen if you need to. So it's totally fine to email me, but just know if you do email me questions, like a lot of you have been doing, a lot of times I don't get to them until the later afternoon or evening when you might already want to have finished your schoolwork. Okay, so but I always try to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, with that being said, that is all you have for today. Finish up your profile, and then we will continue on with the project tomorrow by making your first post as your book character. Happy Thursday. Talk to you tomorrow.